Hi my friends and everybody. Welcome to GMK World Channel. Today's, we will show you new Gundam plastic models as release on August 2024. Gunpla lineup August 2024. RG-144th RX-78-2 Gundam version 2. Price? 3,850 yen, tax included. HGBM 144th Gundam Amazing Barbatos Lupus. Price? 2,750 yen, tax included. Finally, this is Gunpla lineup August 2024, release info by bandai-hobby.net. For more information, go to https://bandai-hobby.net/schedule/202408. Thanks for watching. For news and more information about Gundam plastic models kits, please subscribe GMK World Channel.